Video 4 of 6. Use Wordalizer to create word clouds in InDesign. Manually creating a word list. So in the last video we saw how to create a simple word cloud using random words generated by Wordalizer. Since the last video I've restarted InDesign, so you'll now notice that because I clicked on the Add Wordalizer to the menu bar, it's now appeared on my menu bar in InDesign. So now to launch Wordalizer, all I have to do is click on Wordalizer Pro. So in this video I'm going to look at creating a word cloud using my own word list. And basically I'm going to do this over 3 videos. So in this video we'll enter the words directly into Wordalizer. In the next video we will use the clipboard to import the words from an article, and we'll also import the words and the weightings from an Excel document. And then in the final video we'll use an InDesign document to create the word cloud. So now that I've got Wordalizer running, I'll click on Edit a new word list from scratch, and then I can click on OK. So now I can start entering my word list. So for this word cloud I'm going to use the characteristics of the West Highland Terrier. And I want the phrase West Highland Terrier to be larger than anything else. So I set that to 100. And now I can enter the characteristics. Now if I set this to 100, it will be the same size as the phrase West Highland Terrier. So I want it smaller than that, so I'm going to set it at 50. And then I'll enter the remaining characteristics using different weights. So now that I've entered my word list, I can change the font styles which will be applied to my my word cloud. So I can choose 4 different styles. So we can have brush script, we've got American typewriter, I'm just choosing random ones, we've got Courier, and I can also change the different styles. Now one of the limitations with this is that there's no way of saying I want West Highland Terrier to be brush script or I want friendly to be Courier. It's completely random. The next thing I can do is choose what sort of theme I want. So there's quite a selection of different themes. So I think we'll go for this, we'll go for that I think. And now I can also choose what shape I want. So I'll go for a square because I don't think there's enough in this to have any other shape. So if I click on create, and we can see now we've got our word cloud. And what I can do with these is I can click on them. So if I click on here, I can make different characters bigger. I can adjust the width of them. I can move them around. So if I decide I actually want that word there, or I want alert to be bigger than that, I can do. One thing to remember though is that these are no longer editable. These are actually images. So I can't edit this. I can't change the text. So if there's a spelling mistake, then I would have to create the word cloud again. So in the next video I'll show you how to import text into Wordalizer from the clipboard, and we'll use both an article and we'll use an Excel document.